Fortune Tower.
Yeah! We rule an elf stroll! Go, fight, win!
You're an elf too, also. Did you just mess yourself?
No, I did not! Oh my gosh, Diablo!
How dare you! I'm not the gluttonous one with no portion control!
Then who was it?
Your tummy's rumbling. Are you hungry?
Well, I am a little peckish.
We should eat. They say you can't fight on an empty stomach.
Oh, do they really say that?